Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Gramma in a Box unboxing for November. And this is Jackson's very favorite subscription box because he loves eating the treats inside. Ooh, she's having a Black Friday sale. 1 year of Gramma in the Box, $50 savings, valid only for November 28th to 30th. Enter the code Black Friday. Very cool. So this month it's Thanksgiving themed treats. Always tells you the contents on the inside. Our first project is Turkey Buddies. Those look cute. Then we have Harvest Bark. And then we have our fall cookies. So the third project is always cookie decorating. So let's take a look. Got some eyeballs and some little seeds, probably for the little tails maybe. We'll see in a little bit. Got our sprinkles. We got orange, multicolor little fall blend. These ones have leaves and circles and sprinkles and all sorts of things. Solid yellow. Do have some peanuts, some cereal, looks like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, candy corn, our melting chocolates, and then our colors this month are brown, orange, and yellow. You just knead them a little bit and cut the tip of it and they're ready to go. Then for our cookies, looks like we have an acorn, some leaves, pumpkin, I believe that's a turkey, and then some Ritz crackers for that one project. She also gives you little, my mind's blinking what this is, just little placemat type thing to do your projects on so that they can dry. The chocolate normally takes 10-15 minutes or so to set up. So I'm going to go upstairs and make these with the kids and I will insert footage. So here's project number one. I put my chocolate in the microwave for about a minute and I stirred it, put it back in for about 20-30 seconds. Then you just take a little bit and put it on your cracker and smooth it around. Then you take 3 pieces of the candy corn. I had to look at the picture to see how it goes, but you put the white smaller part facing inward. Then you could also take a seed and put it there for the nose, and then of course add the cute little eyes. And you just press it in a little bit. It takes about 10-15 minutes to set up. And then with the leftover chocolate, I mixed in almost all the cereal. And then I'm going to smooth it out on my parchment paper. And you can make it into like a square or a rectangle. And you want to spread it pretty thin because there's a lot of stuff we're going to add to it. And you don't want it to be too thick when you break it. Real thin bark. And then you could just add whatever's left over. So I had a little bit of cereal. I accidentally poured too much in there. So I add a little on top. I have some autumn sprinkles, some peanuts. Of course, you can leave those out if you have any kind of allergy. And then some leftover candy corn. And again, that takes about 10 or 15 minutes to set up, and it should be done by the time you're done with your cookies. So I did one cookie, and then his grandmother actually was perfect. She showed up unannounced, and I let her decorate the rest of them with him. And you'll see what their cookies look like. Raylan did not participate this time, because I just didn't feel like dealing with the mess, because she made quite a bit mess last time. So she did see the box, though, and she spotted it before Jackson even got home, and she kept saying, the cookies, the cookies. And I was like, oh, yeah, we'll save you one. So I had Jackson decorate one with very little icing, and he gave it to her, so she was content with that. So I'll show you. They went crazy with icing. It just is everywhere. So I definitely didn't want her to have one of those. The one in the corner with a little bit of icing, that was hers. And here's the bark that I could go ahead and break up. And the little turkey once it dried. Those are really good. I like those. And then my cookie, once it's set up, the colors really flooded good this time. So that is our November box. Stay tuned if you want to see what we get next month. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.